Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I am so excited for today's video because Christmas is my favorite holiday, so I really enjoyed making these Christmas nails. This is one of many Christmas nails I plan on doing, and yeah, so right now I'm starting with the Santa Claus nails, and this is so easy. This nail tool makes it so easy for you to do like nail art. Also really quick. I'm still sick, so that's why I sound a little like congested. But yeah, so I'm going to let you guys watch what I'm doing because it's literally so simple to make this Santa face. Really quickly, I did use white gel nail polish, and then I added a matte coat because I want the background to be matte so that Santa can be all shiny and stand out. Is anyone else super excited for this year's Christmas? I started buying Christmas stuff since July because I was just so in the Christmas mood, if that makes any sense. I already decorated my Christmas tree that goes in our room, and then we're going to buy a real Christmas tree and put it in the living room. Do you guys prefer real trees or artificial trees? Let me know down below what you guys prefer and why. I keep using the same products from from my previous videos because they have been working well for me so far, and if they're working well for me, I don't see a need in buying more stuff. But if you guys want me to try any brand in specific out, I can do that. Just let me know in the comments. But for now, I'll continue to leave all the details to the items I used in this video in the description, and if I missed anything, just let me know. We are almost done with this nail. We're just doing the little face now, and look how easy and simple it was. You just do a circle, draw a hat, then draw the beard by doing little dots, and then you have a Santa. I actually wasn't sure what color to do the nose, so I thought red would be cute. And now we're starting the pointer finger nail, and I decided to do clouds and then add little snowflakes, and you guys saw that I forgot to turn on the light. Right now I'm just doing little dot motions or putting dots together to form a cloud, and then after I cure this, I'm going to start the stars. And the lighting here is not the best. Hopefully you guys can see a little bit what I'm trying to do here. I believe here I was using the GoPro, and the GoPro is just not good for nail videos. So as you guys can see, I put dots where I wanted the snowflakes to be, and I'm really bad at explaining, so I'm just going to let you watch what I'm doing. In my previous job, I worked like in a call center, and every time there was a new employee, I would pray that they did not choose me to train them because I suck at explaining anything. I wonder if it has anything to do with the fact that I'm a hands-on person. But anyways, that's another topic. Let me just let you guys watch what I'm doing now. This is a video I posted on Instagram, and I was going to leave the nails like this, but I wanted to be a little extra, so I decided to put glitter on the red nails, and then I added stones to the thumbnail and the pinky nail. So here are the final results. I am so happy with the way they turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Oh, I haven't filed these yet because I do plan on wearing them in the future. I only glued them just a little bit to show you guys how it looks on my hand. But yeah, that's the end of today's video. Thanks so much for watching.